Ready for hydroponic DIY fun? Let's unleash your inner creativity. Get set for an exciting guide to DIY hydroponic projects. Grab your tools, wear your DIY crown, and let's dive into a world of hydroponic wonders. 1. Bottle Garden Bonanza. Thriving gardens in repurposed bottles. 2. PVC Pipe Perfection. Custom hydro systems with PVC magic. 3. Mason Jar Marvels. Charming hydro setups in a jar. 4. Window Farming Magic. Green windows with vertical hydroponics. 5. Rain Gutter Delight. Budget-friendly gutters turn plant channels. 6. Floating Raft Adventure. Success afloat with DIY rafts. 7. Straw Bale Innovation. Hydroponics meet straw bale gardening. 8. Hanging Basket Wonder. Suspended beauty with hydroponic baskets. 9. Pallet Garden Fun. Rustic hydro gardens from upcycled pallets. 10. Repurposed containers galore. From buckets to furniture. Hydroponics galore. Congratulations, hydroponic DIY wizards. Let your creativity bloom and enjoy the thrill of DIY hydro projects. With a sprinkle of imagination and a dash of hands-on magic, you'll create a hydroponic wonderland that's uniquely yours. Happy DIY adventures, and may your projects bring joy, growth, and endless green enchantment.